Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do some really fun chocolate bowls. For this video we're going to be using the new M&Ms. These are the spring pastels and you can see the really nice colors that we have here. I've also got some dark chocolate and we're going to be using some little water balloons. So let's get started. So you're going to blow up your little balloons and then you're going to simply go right into your chocolate. Just let it drip off a little bit and then right onto your silicone mat, just like that. I've done a really small one. Let's do that one. And I'll do one more. I am using dark tempered chocolate. I have many little tutorials on my YouTube channel if you want to check those out. If you want to learn how to temper chocolate at home. So now I'm just going to let these completely set up, let them dry, and then we're going to come back. To remove our balloons, what I usually do is I'll grab the balloon like this and then I just give it a little bit of a squeeze. This just kind of removes it from the sides. So just do that. Then grab your scissors, just a little cut, just like that, and then pull it out. Perfect. And then of course, to finish off our little video, we're going to grab our M&Ms. And there we have a really cute serving bowl. So we've come to the end of another really fast tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's really fun one, and I'll see you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.